Are we alone? When we look up at the stars and contemplate our place in the universe, it's natural to wonder, do we have company somewhere out there? Of course, we won't know until we know, but in the meantime, astronomers use something called the Drake equation to estimate how many intelligent civilizations there may be for us to communicate with. First, we start with the total number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Next, we look at the fraction of these that we think might have planetary systems like our own. Within each system, we estimate how many planets are close enough to their star to have an Earth-like environment, and in particular, water. We then multiply this by the fraction of planets that might give rise to life. And not just any life, but intelligent life. And not just intelligent life, but life forms that we might actually communicate with, which requires that they have radio telescopes like our own. The last thing we have to consider is how long these life forms are around to communicate. As with Earth, a planet might exist for billions of years and only have a technological civilization for a tiny fraction of its lifetime. According to our estimates, there may be just a handful of alien civilizations with whom we might communicate. Of course, this conclusion is just the product of our assumptions, and if we change these, we find the number could be in the billions. So if we're not very confident about the values that go into the Drake equation, how confident should we be in the result that comes out? Not only that, but what are we really looking for anyway? An intelligent life form that lives on a planet with water and communicates using radio telescopes? Are we really looking for aliens, or are we looking for us?
Peel it back, fuel minds properly, spark intellect, fill minds with the energy of knowledge in this world that we live in, be a vessel of the light, of the truth, of the remedy.